Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna and today we're making churros. These are crispy on the outside and so soft on the inside. Make sure you stay till the end of this video because I will be showing you how to make two easy yet so delicious sauces that are going to take your churro experience to the next level. But before we get started, I do want to invite you to subscribe and give us a huge thumbs up. Also, click that notification bell. Let's get started. To make the churros, start by combining half a cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of water, half a cup of whole milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Bring the mix to a boil over medium heat and stir frequently. Then remove from the heat and add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour and mix until well combined. Change the temperature to low heat. Continue cooking the paste for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, stirring continuously to get rid of moisture. Once you see a thin film start to form in the bottom of the pan or the dough turns into a smooth ball, you will know it's done. Transfer to a mixing bowl and with the paddle attachment, mix on medium speed to cool the paste. Once the side of the bowl feels warm, turn to medium-low and add 4 large eggs, one at a time. Wait for one to incorporate, then add the next one. It's important for the dough to reach a warm temperature before adding the eggs because if we add them while it's still hot, it could potentially cook the eggs. Feel free to scrape the bowl as needed. Once all the eggs are fully incorporated and your batter is smooth, stop the mixer. The end result will be smooth, thick, and easy to work with. Prepare a pastry bag with a large open star tip. Fill the bag halfway with the batter and twist to seal. Place a large pot over medium heat. Add about 2 inches of canola oil. Let the oil heat between 350 to 375 degrees. Pipe the dough a few inches above the oil and cut the ends off with scissors. Let them fry, and once the side touching the oil is golden brown and crispy, turn with the tongs to allow the other side to do the same and achieve the same texture. Beautiful, the color is unbelievable. Remove from the oil and continue with the rest of the batter. When all the churros are done, mix half a cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Toss and turn each of the churros in the sugar mix, making sure every inch is coated and covered. The dough we prepared, also known as pate choux, is not sweet. This is why the cinnamon sugar is the perfect complement because it adds sweetness and a distinctive flavor. Now let's make some dipping sauces. First, let's make a salted chocolate sauce. Bring to a boil over medium heat half a cup of heavy cream. Then remove and pour over half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Whisk well until smooth and thick. The salt in the sauce will balance and open up the flavors when paired with the churros. It's the perfect combination. Now for the salted vanilla sauce. Prepare an ice bath. In a large bowl, add ice and about 1.5 cups of water. Place a medium-sized bowl over it and a fine strainer on top of the medium bowl. Set aside until needed. Over medium heat, bring half a cup of whole milk, half a cup of heavy cream, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to a boil. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl and right before the milk is ready, mix 3 tablespoons of sugar over 3 egg yolks and whisk to combine. Take the milk off the heat and temper into the yolks by slowly pouring a thin stream of the hot milk into the yolks while whisking vigorously. The temperature of the yolks will rise gradually. When it reaches the milk temperature, place the milk back over medium-low heat and add the yolk mix slowly back into the milk while whisking vigorously. Continue cooking and whisking for approximately 3 to 4 minutes to prevent the yolks from cooking. The sauce is ready when it thickens and coats the back of a spoon. Strain the sauce over the medium-sized bowl placed over the ice bath to quickly cool it. Lastly, mix in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and keep whisking occasionally and as needed. The sauce came out perfect if it coats the back of a spoon, leaving a path. This sauce, known as crème anglaise, is a light custard used as a sauce for so many desserts because of how creamy and delicious it is. And the churros are perfect, crispy on the outside and so soft on the inside. Okay, you have decisions to make. Let me know down in the comment area which sauce won you over. These are heavenly and they came out perfect. As you can tell, I added a touch of salt to balance out the sweetness and enhance the flavors even more. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Come back and let me know how it went down in the comment area. Remember, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing rest of your day.